Good morning, class. It's Wednesday, April 15th, and we're going to be looking at our calendar and our number of the day today. Our number of the day today is number 24. Grab your yellow duotang and pull out your calendar with me. If you haven't finished coloring April, you can take a few minutes when you're done calendar to color some of your April picture. And then flip with us. We're going to be filling in some numbers today. Yesterday was the 14th. So today is the 50th, the 1 is equal to 10, and the 5 ones make 15. Let's look at some of the special days that we have on our calendar and count forward to the special days that are coming up and count backwards to see how long ago some special days were. Remember that each week has 7 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and months usually have 4 or even 5 weeks that are in them. So we have 30 days. It's 4 weeks and a little bit, and it goes over 5 full weeks if we were looking at 1 week starting on Sunday to Saturday. So if we're at number 15, how long ago was Easter Monday? Well, it was 2 days ago, and we're hopping back to tell. How long ago was Easter Sunday? It was 3 days ago, and we can easily tell. If we want to know how long ago Emerson's birthday was, we need to count backwards from 15 to 3, or we can subtract 15, take away 3. I'm going to count backwards. You might do subtraction in your head to get that answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you subtracted 15, take away 3, you would have also discovered there was 12 days ago that was Emerson's birthday. Let's count forward to see how long until it's Earth Day. There's a couple of ways I can do that. I can jump ahead and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days to get to 22 for Earth Day. Or I can notice that all of these events happen on a Wednesday. And I know there's 7 days in a week, so there's 7 days between this day and this week below. This Wednesday and this Wednesday is 7 days apart. I could also subtract 22. I could subtract 15 from it to get 7. I could say 15 plus how many equals 22 and count on to get to 22. If I know it was 7 days to here, I can count ahead from here to see how many days until Ramadan, or how many days until Max's birthday, or how many more days in April. Try to figure out the answers to those questions counting ahead from 22 or counting ahead from 15. Don't forget you have to count a day when you cross over from Saturday to Sunday, like I almost forgot one time. Go ahead and finish that paper. You're going to look for number 15 on your umbrella and color it in. And the forecast says that it's going to be cloudy with some sunny breaks. So you can decide how you want to record that here, whether you want to record a tally mark in cloudy or a tally mark in sunny. I'm going to put mine in cloudy. But when I get to my graph, I'm going to make a different decision. Instead of saying it's all the way cloudy or saying it's all the way sunny, if it's cloudy with sunny breaks, I can use a brown to say that it is, oops, that's not my brown. I could use a brown to say that it is partly cloudy or partly sunny. It shows the same, a sun sticking out with a cloud. So I'm going to color in mine brown. When you look at the weather in the morning, it might be more sunny or more cloudy, so you might want to use yellow for sunny or black for cloudy. You can see on my chart, I have had the most partly cloudy weather in April so far. Yours might be a little bit different depending on how you recorded the weather at the time of the day that you did the weather. Moving to our number of the day, my friends, it is number 24 today. We're going to put the date at the top as a way to practice writing the date at the top. The short form for Wednesday is WED. We need a capital W, capital A for April, and it is the 15th. Our number is 24. We're going to determine if it's even or odd by counting from 0 by 2s. If I land on the number, it's even. If I skip the number, it's odd. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. I landed right on it. So 24 is an even number. One more than 24 I can find by counting up or adding 1. If I'm counting up from 20, I would say 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And if I was counting backwards to find one less, I might start at 30 and count backwards. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23 is one less. You could also simply add or subtract your number 1. We're going to do two addition questions, one subtraction question to get our answer at 24. And then I challenge you, my friend, on your whiteboard to put 24 right in the middle of your whiteboard and come up with all the ways you could make 24 using addition or subtraction questions. Use many add-ins or many things are subtracted. Do as many as you can. Use big numbers, small numbers. Show me all the questions that you could add or subtract to make 24. I got a little blurry there. Tally marks, I'm going to do my 10 frames first because they always help me decide how I'm going to do my tally marks. For 24, I need 2 10 frames because 10 and 10 is 20. And then I need 4 more. These can easily show me 1 group of 5, 2 groups of 5, 3 groups of 5, 4 groups of 5. So I will need to tally mark 4 groups of 5. And 1 group that is not quite 5, it's just 4 more. I can use these to help me with my equations. I can easily see I have 20 plus 4 more to make one of my addition questions. I can easily tell I have 10 plus 10 plus 4. You might use that for your second equation. Or I might notice that this equals 14 and this equals 10. So I will use 10 plus 14 equals 24. I would normally have 30 on my 10 frames, but these 6 are empty. So I can do my subtraction from 30 minus 6 equals 24. We still don't have any 100s in our 24, so we have 0 in our 100s column. This represents 2 10s, so we know we have 2 10s. And this represents 4 1s, so we know we have 4 in the 1s column. When you're done your number of the day with me, my friends, go ahead and grab your whiteboard and try to do as many equations as you possibly can, squeeze on there, that equal 24. Show me addition and subtraction questions and go ahead and post them on our Google Classroom. I look forward to seeing how many questions you can make. Have a wonderful day.